Hi, this is Mrs. Rogers. I'm one of the school counselors here at Riverside. Today I'm going to show you how to access Naviance to look for scholarships. From the Riverside homepage, go to the portal. Then click on Backpack. Log in. Once you've logged in, go to Education Apps. Then scroll down and find Naviance. In Naviance, go to Colleges and Scholarships and Money. You can click on Scholarship List and see a current list of scholarships you can apply for. Click on the link for more information. You can also go back to Colleges, Scholarships and Money and see the National Scholarship Search used through Sallie Mae. You can put in your personal information and find scholarships that fit you. If you have any questions, please see one of the counselors. Thanks.